Guys, look at this Huracan we got. Huracan EVO. Dude, I am in love with this interior. This blue is freaking amazing. I gotta show you this blue. It's so sick. Like, oh, it's just so bright. It's blue. It's not like a off blue, a weird cream, or like a navy. This is blue. This is blue. I love it. It just looks so much fun. A lot of interiors that are red, they're like a darker red. It's more mature, right? This is like a kid blue. I like this blue stitching up top, the blue paneling, and like that. The seat is amazing. The seat looks like some sort of video game chair. I love it. Little inserts are blue. The shape of this, like, what is this? Like, this shape is cool. I love it. The little cutouts in the seats, the carbon fiber up top, the blue Lamborghini logo up top. Oh, and the middle, you get the little touch screen. It's so clean. So the client with the Huracan wasn't really happy with the color of his wheels, so we sent those off to get refinished to a different color. And they're back now, so let's take a look. Going with the classic satin black or matte black. Can't go wrong with black, it just works all the time. So we'll be swapping out the tires for some new ones, and then we'll be throwing this on to the car. Brand new Lamborghini Huracan EVO. Love this car color combination. Black on the outside, blue on the inside. Wasn't here very long. All we had to do was change out the wheel color and tint the side windows in the back, so it has a little more privacy. And for the wheel color, it was once this liquid smoke color. It wasn't bad. It just didn't really make the calipers pop. So now that the wheels are satin black, you can definitely see the purple a lot more, just the contrast better. So really clean setup. You can't go wrong with black on black. Looks really good.
Can you see all the scratches?
Yeah, I see all of them.
And that's just after one quick pass.
So you guys see how there's no like lines everywhere? Like you see some specks because we only did one quick pass, but you guys see how it's a lot clearer over here on the hood versus over here on the fender. Like you see all these lines everywhere. So this is what I mean when we say that even brand new cars have scratches and swirl marks, because they all do. So what we're doing is we're doing a light polish. Basically, we're gonna remove most of the superficial, the really light scratches and swirl marks on top of the paint, and that way we get more of a mirror-like finish afterwards. Black is probably one of the prettiest colors on a car, but at the same time, it's also one of the hardest colors to maintain. But there are a couple of things that you can do to protect it and to keep it looking as good as possible. For starters, you can always Clearbra the full front end to protect it from rock chips. This Model 3 has it on the hood, the front bumper, the fenders, and the mirrors. Since no car comes from the factory brand new without scratches, we actually paint corrected the entire car. This helps eliminate little spiral web lines that you see in your paint, especially when it's really sunny outside. That way the paint looks a lot clearer. And to top everything off, we ceramic coated the entire thing, so it's always gonna look its best as long as you take care of it and maintain it. If the vlogs have taught you guys anything, I'm hoping that it teaches you that owning an RX-7 requires a lot of maintenance. Very obvious, it's always in the shop, every single vlog. Are you having issues?
Nope.
Are you sure? Are the hoses fitting like you want them to fit?
So far.
It's not as easy as you thought, huh?
You mean plug and play?
It's pretty complicated, isn't it?
Someone take Haywood away, he's annoying me.
Are you having issues putting that back on?
No, I'm not.
Have you started the car yet, though?
He's over here annoying me. He's purposely annoying me.
We have to deal with it, you gotta deal with it.
Hey, what the fuck does that mean, Sean? Our next vinyl wrap project, Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. The car is currently just regular black. This is gonna be the wrap we're using. Let's unbox it for the first time. Have you seen this color before?
This color? No, actually, this color I have not. So.
Oh my god, oh my god.
You ready? Still gonna see the color.
Oh.
Caribbean Shimmer.
No, bro, it's called Caribbean. Caribbean. That's really nice. It kind of looks like ocean water. That's why the name is Caribbean. Wow, what a change.
It's a flip too. Mirrors, carbon fiber.
Oh, okay. So carbon fiber accents, but mainly the car's gonna be in this color. First piece is laid on, guys. Look at that. It's cool. It looks like ocean water, doesn't it? kind of seaweedy. Definitely doesn't look like Galveston, because Galveston would be brown, but I guess normal oceans would look like this.
I don't know, because I live in Texas, but I'm assuming.
Yeah.
This is a dope color. I approve of this one. I approve this message.
One whole single sheet for this entire side. We're gonna cover the door, top of the door, rear quarter, and the front fender, and like the side skirt bottom piece. One reason as to why we're doing it this way is because since this is a shimmer film, it has kind of that translucent effect to it. If you lay it all in one piece, it kind of helps with the effect and making it look as seamless as possible versus doing it piece by piece by piece. If you're standing over here on one side, the whole shimmer will look very even. So now we're on the mirrors for the Challenger. It's black right now, but we're gonna be doing these in carbon fiber. Give it a nice little accent piece. Good luck, Sean.
Thank you, I really appreciate it.
I may not be able to help you, but I can at least stand next to you. Because I'm present.
I'm thinking I'm gonna have to do this right here, onto this, cut it here, and then wrap this whole way. Ideally, you need to do.
We talked about this in the rap dojo. There's a secret lesson that I taught you for situations like this. Lesson 000.
000? This is before all the rap dojos? What?
This is the very first lesson you
never
learned.
taught me 000.
This is the
never
very
ever in all the videos I've ever seen.
000 is taught at the end.
Makes no sense. It's
You're-
the first thing.
Quit while you're ahead, you motherfucker.
It's a
000 is
secret
the first
lesson.
thing. Yes, that's actually exactly what I'm gonna do on these mirrors. Alright, hey, well, you wrap those.
What? That's God damn it. Alright guys, not a problem. We can do this. This color makes me happy, guys. Look at this color. It's freaking insane. Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. Look at this freaking color. Oh, this is such a cool color. My voice is cracked. Really digging these color shifting wraps. It adds so much more detail and depth to the color. It's just so unique since it's not something you normally get from paint. It's just really cool. One of our main objectives when it comes to wrapping a car is to make sure that it looks as clean as possible. And what that means is, well, doing anything and everything we can in one singular piece. Because the less amount of seams that we have, the better. The whole car is covered in this Caribbean Shimmer vinyl wrap that you guys see. It has like this bluish, greenish color to it, and it just looks really nice, especially when the sun hits it. You get the blue and the green at the same time, and you even get some purple in the mix too. It's like a three-tone finish almost. Like just from this angle, you guys can see all three colors. The purple right here, and then the bluish, and then the green here. It's just really cool. And the fact that it's satin, it really just brings out the body line, especially on the hood. It just looks so mean. We did add some accent pieces. So for the mirrors, we actually wrapped those in carbon fiber, just to kind of break it up a little bit and give it a bit of a sportier feel. Came out so nicely. And same thing with the rear spoiler. Just a nice little accent piece, especially in the back, just to give it some contrast. Incredibly happy with how this one came out. Love doing these really bright, fun colors. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this. I love this color. It's always a lot of fun doing these vibrant colors, so hit us up if you want to wrap your cars. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thanks so much for watching.
We're about to wrap this up.
We want to work on your cars, so hit us up. Our contact info in the description down below. And if you like that wrap job, guess what? We are starting on another one. So stay tuned to see what color this is going to be. We will see you next time.